Hey there, it's Cindy Hunter, and this is week 2 for Chem 126, and this is our second interactive advanced concepts video and assignment. This week we are doing the iodine clock reaction. So basically we are going to be making the color of iodine disappear and with 2 clear solutions, and then put them together and watch them become blue as triiodide. So basically we have 2 solutions. I've already gone ahead and made a starch and water solution. So this is that B solution. And I have started in the process of making the A solution, which is water and crushed vitamin C tablets. I've gone ahead and filtered both of them. For the sake of time in the video, it kind of expounded on the fact that increasing temperature can make the reaction faster. So I did go ahead and heat B, so hopefully it'll still be warm and we can kind of expedite the visual iodide clock reaction. So hopefully we can get some color in there sooner than later. So at this point, where I am is mixing the iodine tincture into the vitamin C. I will prepare you that this may or may not work, just because all I could find was 2% in a 30 milliliter tincture instead of the 5% like he was working with and talking about. So what I did was, instead of using 2,000 milligrams in the solution, I basically cut the A solution, the vitamin C solution, in half. And so this would work with that. So we'll see how it all kind of lays out. Hopefully everything is in proportion to each other. So let's get started. I have mixed some extra vitamin C solution up on the side just in case. But let's start mixing this up. Let's see if we can get this. Well, good news. Without even having to swirl it, looks like there is enough vitamin C in here. So that's good. Don't see any of that color anymore. Perfect. Okay, so it is totally clear. So let's top this off with water. Like I said, he used up to 500 milliliters of solution. I'm only going to go up to like 250 to try to keep it in proportion to what he had made. Maybe a little bit above, but that should be okay. All right. So we've got this solution, we've got this solution that's warm. Kind of before we get started on mixing them together, let's talk about some of the chemistry behind this. So initially what's happening, at least in this solution, we have iodine, of course, in the tincture form, and then we've added vitamin C. So the way that it works is the vitamin C is able to oxidize the iodine into iodide. That's why we kind of see this clear solution. It's not colored anymore as iodine. It is colorless iodide. So when we mix the solutions, the hydrogen peroxide that has been added, I apologize, I forgot to mention that I put hydrogen peroxide in this one as well, in the starch solution. So the hydrogen peroxide with the iodide ends up losing the battle in conversion from iodine to iodide. It tries to stay in the iodide, but eventually iodine wins out in the hydrogen peroxide reaction. And so what ends up happening whenever all the vitamin C has been utilized, it's been used up, it's no longer there, we see a combination of iodine plus iodide into the triiodide kind of compound. And then we have starch in there as well. So hopefully what we will see in this is a blue solution. That's really what we're looking for, is a blue solution. So let's get started and see. I'm gonna do a little of each and see what happens. So let's say that's about half. And we'll do vitamin C. And we gonna stir it though. See if that. I know he said when you stir it, sometimes it can make it uniform. It's kind of interesting to just, oh, there it went. Wow, that was really cool. Okay, yep, that is definitely dark. I was starting to lose hope. And actually you can, I don't know if you can see this. There it goes. It's almost greenish. So the longer that it sits, the darker it'll actually become, and to almost like revert back to that original brown iodine color. If you can see, there's actually deposits on the spoon from where I had the vitamin C crushed up. So that's kind of cool. So it's definitely deposited where vitamin C is kind of still there, just the tablet. So that's kind of interesting. All right, well, this was a success. I was really nervous. I didn't think it was gonna work, but it did. So thank you, Dr. Katz, for providing a successful video for us to watch with instructions. But yeah, overall really cool stuff. So that is the iodine clock reaction, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks.